سلام تعزبتي بين ميديا لومي نغو اب معرفو نفرت اير لاغوارديا ايربورت حدا زسم بدحرقا اقاطيمولو حانتي نفاريت اير كندا زخونت ابتي معرفو مراخب مقعزيا مكينا بورت اوثوريتي فيكل بمقجاوا زقاطم حدقا ايو لك عزي فيديو تعزبو زلخم لايف زمتصي فيديو سوزخونه مجمرتا اذا حاصار فيديو نكتاتل.
We interrupt with breaking news here this morning. I'm Alan Devlin. The NYPD has confirmed that an Air Canada plane has collided with a Port Authority vehicle on the tarmac at LaGuardia Airport. Right now is a live look at the airport there, where it is shut down completely due to this emergency. It is unclear what actually caused this collision, and there are no word on injuries, but you can see video from the tarmac showing that Air Canada plane here tilted backwards as FDNY, NYPD, and EMS race there to the scene. We have been told, the FDNY says this happened around 11:38 p.m. yesterday. Flight radar says the plane's last speed was going 24 miles per hour at that time.
سلازي ازي حادقا حانتي اير ناي اير كندا زخونت ابتي معرفو مراخب مقعزيا ناي بورت اوثوريتي فيكل زنبرت مكينا سلاز تقاجوت يو اقاطيمو ات حادقا بلكع بخمي كم زقاطمه كمون كساب كنتي قرآت كم زورده اتي كونتات اير ابت ساعتتي كمي كم زنبرن زرزر تصاب حيزنا لكم قريبنا لنا.
Or may be able to piece together from the little information we have right now involving this collision.
Well, Alan, certainly given what's going on, details as we understand them are fluid and changing, but this flight was coming in from Montreal, had landed and was slowing down on the runway when this apparent collision happened. You're looking at images of the plane sort of inverted with the nose, or the area where there should be the nose, up in the air. It is likely that occurred as passengers were evacuating out the back. That very well could have shifted the center of gravity on the airplane.
بزعبا جزين بوتان اتحادقا زملكت بوليس نيويورك مالت NYPD كم زرقاقصوا مسرت اتحادقا تمال مشت 11:38 دقيقة اقاطيمو اتا كاب مونتريال كندا زمصت نفاريت ابتي مراغفي مريت مالت ناي تصرغيا تارماك እና ተንቀሳቀሰትን ከላያ ምስ መኪና ابتي ኤርፖርት ዝነበረት ተጋጭያ ابت اوانتي اتا نفاريت بفتنت 24 مايل اب ساعات تጓዓዝ ከም ዝነበረት ይዝፍለጥ ፍላይት ሬዳር بزحبرو مسرت
concerning because the front of the airplane looks to have taken significant damage. That's of course where the pilots would have been. A flight attendant tends to be towards the front of that aircraft as well, the CRJ 900. 24-mile-an-hour collision. You don't know how fast the other vehicle was going, but clearly a significant crash here. You have to be concerned about the injuries to the people in that vehicle as well as folks on board that airplane.
كابتي بوتا زموصو سلتات كم زتريو زلخم اذا نفاريت ندحريتا وريقا زلا وي كم زتريو زلخم ندحريت تيلت جيرالا ازي لكع كم زي تريو زلخم فيديوهات بتعمي ودس كحكح كنداي بهيوت وصيومون بساب حجي يطراطريو تጓዓዝቲ ናይ ድሕሪት ማዕጾ ክወጽን ከለው ዘርኢ ስእልታት ኣሎ እቲ ክብደት ናይታ መኪና ማለት ሴንተር ኦፍ ግራቪቲ ስለዝተቀየረ ድማ እታ መኪና ንድሕሪት ክትክምበል ከም ዝኻለት ዘርኢ ልክዕ ከምዚ ቪድዮ ትካተልዎ ዘለኹም እቲ ቀዳማይ ክፋል ናይዛ ነፋሪት ማለት እቲ ኖዝ ኤሪያ ዝበሃል እቶም ናይዚ ፍላይት ፓይለት ዝቋጸርዎ ኤሪያ ዓቢ ጉድኣት ይወሪድዎ ዘሎ ስለዚ እቶም ፓይለት ኣብየናይ ኩነታት ከም ዝርከቡ ኣስጋኢ እዩ بزعبا إذا نفاريت قال كحبركم.
You mentioned the model of the plane here, CRJ 900. That's a smaller jet. They are, as I understand, a number, or I guess in the fleet of many different airliners here in America. I've flown on one. Chris, I'm sure you've flown on one as well. Do you know anything about the details of the size of the jet, or how many people could be potentially on board at max capacity compared to some of the larger planes we might see in and out of LaGuardia?
بزعبا إذا نفاريت CRJ 900 زعينتا نفاريت بوحدو 7-6 تጓዓዝቲ نيروما كلت مرحت نفاريت كلت أقلقلتي مالت فلايت اتندنس زحز عقمي زلوا ايروبلينيا إذا مالت أب اوان حادقا زاقيت كساب 8 زخونو سبات أوشتي كهلو 5 زخولو يقمت ዛጊት ብዛዕባ ዝቆሰሉ ሰባት ዝተረጋገፀ ሓበሬታ እኳ እንተዘይሃለወ መጉዳእቲ ክህሉ ከም ዝኽእል ግን ይግመት።
Large, long, significant amount of time here this morning. This is, of course, on top of what is already a delayed DHS, I guess, funding issue that's been slowing down some of our airports across the country. How is this, with LaGuardia being such a massive airport with such, I guess, connections to all of the airports across the country here, how is this incident going to domino effect into air travel on a national scale starting, I guess, this morning?
Yeah, certainly. And it looks like the Air Canada CRJ 900 is equipped with 76 passenger seats, typically
ናይ መራኸቢ ጌጋ ወይ ኮሙኒኬሽን ብሬክዳውን ኩሉ ከም ዝኽእል እዮም ዝዛረቡ ዘለዉ። ስለዚ እቲ ዝዓበየ ሕቶ ክንምልሶ ኢና። እታ መኪና ከመይ ኢላ ኣብቲ ነፋሪት ተዓርፈሉ ዝነበረት መስመር ወይ ኣክቲቭ ራንዌይ ዝበሃል ክትመጽእ ክኢላ ዝብል ሕቶ ብቐንዱ ይለዓል ኣሎ። بمسرت اتي استرخب دمصي مرداتا نايتي معرفو مرخبت تقاصرتي مالت اير ترافيك كنترول نتا مكينا دو كتبل فتينوم نيروم از غدايزي بناي امريكا حاجراوي بورد وحسنت مغعازيا مالت NTSB زرزر كمرمر مخانو يحبروا له
quickly and the vehicles moved off the runway. But I would expect significant disruptions to LaGuardia tomorrow, particularly tomorrow morning. It is a busy airport. It's going to lead to, at the very least, significant delays, probably cancellations tomorrow as this accident is investigated.
بزعبا كنتات አየር ዝምልከት ማለት እቲ ዌዘር ኮንዲሽን ኣብቲ ሓደጋ ዘጋጠመሉ ሰዓታት ፎኪስ ዝናብ ይዘንብ ከም ዝነበረ ይዛረቡለው ወላ እኳ እቲ ነፋስ ሓያል እንተዘይነበረ ግጥም ዝበለ ግመ ግን ከም ዝነበረ ማለት ፎግ ክትርኢ ናይ ቪዚቢሊቲ ክሳብ 4 ማይል ጥራይ ዝተሓፀረ እዩ ነይሩ ኣብቲ መራገፊ መሬት ማለት ታርማክ እቲ ጽርግያ ኣዝዩ ሓፂር ስለ ዝነበረ እዚ እውን ሓደ ካብቲ ንሓደጋ ዘቃልዐ ምኽንያት ክኸውን ከም ዝኽእል ዝብል ጥርጣረታት ኣሎ
and FDNY and NYPD first responders response to LaGuardia Airport, where we have confirmed that an Air Canada flight has ran into, collided with a Port Authority vehicle there at
بزي مخنيات زي معرفو مراخب لاغوارديا ايربورت نغزياوي تعاطي يركب اذا حدا غازي عمل هاجر اب زغبر براراتات مدن غيات كفطر مخانو يغمتي مخنياتو لاغوارديا ايربورت حدا خابتي زعبي ايربورت لزخونه
on board that plane, and we do not know if there are any injuries, but from the severity of the damage to the front of that
بتوسخي حابريتا مزمصنا ግን ኣብ ዝቐልጠፈ እዋን ከነቕርበልኩም ምዃና ንሕብር ኩብራት ተኸታተልቲ ናይሎ መዓልቲ ዜና ብዛዕባ እዚ ናይ ካናዳ ኣየር ኣብ ላጓርዲያ ኤርፖርት ዘጋጠመ ሓደጋ ነዚ ይመስል ኣብ ቀጻሊ ብኻልእ መደብ ክሳብ ንራኸብ እዝወድሓ